Welcome to JP Power Equipments. I am going to demonstrate GVC battery charger. This is the model of 10 amps 120 volts, and the first I am going to explain to you what are all the facilities available in this charger. There is an on-off switch, and this is digital panel meter indicating voltage and amps, and this is a battery control. The number of batteries you can select it with this, and this is battery overload. This is an indication where suppose the battery is been wrongly put, the control is 1 and the battery is been connected as 2, this will trip off. And then reverse battery, suppose you reversely connect the battery, this will also indicate. And this is the control of amps. You can slowly adjust till 10 amps. And this is the positive and negative terminals, and this is a 4-stage battery charger. It will give you soft charge, boost charge, conservation charge, and then float charge. Now I will switch on the battery charger. Since I have not connected any clips, you can see the battery connection has not been made. That's why the blue indication is showing that there is no connection made to the battery. Once you connect the battery to the battery charger, this indication will go off. Now you can see the reverse battery check connection indication is switching on because we have not connected the battery. Suppose even you don't connect the battery properly, this indication will come. Now I am connecting the battery to the charger. You can see that has got switched off. Now you can see some voltage and some current also has come. So now you can increase the current. So till the desired current setting. Say suppose you want to, now you can see some voltage coming, and suppose wrongly connect the battery control to the wrong battery. See, suppose one battery is connected and the rotary switch is connected to position 2, means this battery overload will trip off. Now you can see the battery overload indication is glowing. That means you have connected the battery control in position 2 and you have connected only one battery. Now to reset the charger, reverse the control to the number 1 position. Now you can see the indication has gone off. Now you can start charging the battery. Now you have to adjust the amps control by controlling the amps control part. You can even set the current 0.1, 0.2 like that. Up to 10 amps you can set it. Even 5.2, 6.2 depends on the battery age. You have to set the current. Now you can see the voltage of the battery is 15 and the charging current is 9.1. Once the battery voltage reaches 15.5 or 16, this charging current will slowly come down to a float level, so that that means the battery is charged fully.